Namaste. Welcome to your Yoga Nidra for deep relaxation and inner peace. I'm Anitra with Kayajai Yoga and Wellness, and I'm so glad you're here. Yoga Nidra is an ancient practice designed to help you relax deeply and restore your nervous system. It can help you improve your sleep and release physical tension. It can also help you increase body-mind awareness. And of course, this Yoga Nidra will help you cultivate peace and inner balance. Even though we will be guiding awareness through the physical body, you may experience emotional or energetic release. That's perfectly natural. Simply notice what arises and return to the practice. Let's begin. Settle into Shavasana, the relaxation pose, lying flat on your back, arms slightly away from your body, legs extended naturally, palms facing upward. Let your body feel heavy and supported. Close your eyes and invite stillness. Now bring your awareness inward to the space of your heart. Feel the energy of your heart space and allow a sankalpa, a heart-centered intention or affirmation, to arise. Choose a short, positive, present tense affirmation. For example, I am calm, I am grounded, or I am at peace. Mentally repeat your sankalpa, your affirmation, 3 times, clearly and with heartfelt belief. Allow the words to sink into your subconscious like a seed planting itself in rich soil. And as we practice the Yoga Nidra, this sankalpa, this affirmation, will take root. Now we will systematically bring awareness to different parts of your body. As I name each part, allow your attention to rest there. You don't need to move that part of your body. You don't need to do anything. Just feel the sensation or imagine that part clearly. Simply let your awareness flow there like a current. Right side of your body, right hand, right thumb, right index finger, right middle finger, right ring finger, right little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, right armpit, right side of the chest, right waist, right hip, right thigh, right kneecap, right calf, right shin, right ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, whole right side of the body, left side of the body, left hand, left thumb, left index finger, left middle finger, left ring finger, left little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, left wrist, left forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left side of the chest, left waist, left hip, left thigh, left knee, left calf, left shin, ankle, heel of the foot, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, left side of the body, back of the body, pelvis and sacrum, lower back, middle back, upper back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, entire back of the body. Front of the body, crown of your head, your forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between your eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right jaw, left jaw, nose, tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, space between the lips, tongue, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, center of the chest, rib cage, upper abdomen, navel center, lower abdomen, the base of your torso, notice your skin, your inner organs, your bones, your muscles, your breath, your whole body, your whole body. Full body awareness. And gently return to your sankalpa, your heart's resolve. Repeat your sankalpa, your affirmation 3 times, clearly and silently. Begin to bring awareness back to your natural breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And roll your head from side to side. And when you feel ready, stretch in any way you want. The Yoga Nidra is now complete. Carry this piece with you into the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this Yoga Nidra, please support with a light namaste.